Going everyone, today I'm going to show you guys my Emmo Zone Sport 2018. If you guys don't know what this bike is, it's a 2018 model, so it's really new. Not many people have this model because it's so hard to get. I got really lucky, and I'll explain how in a second. But it's got LED headlights, got two, which is really nice because a lot of bikes only have one. Most e-bikes only have one headlight. Mine has two. My old model has two. I don't have a bike like this, but I do have the a really old one that someone's coming to buy today, which I'm really happy about, or at least hopefully. So yeah, this will be my main bike now. So yeah, it's got really cool vinyl. I really like the vinyl. I don't like just straight color because I know a lot of people just want to do straight color, but I think it gives it like oomph, gives it a lot of power. So yeah, so that's it. It's got two wheels, same size, because I've ridden a bike with two different sizes, and you know that doesn't go over well. So yeah, it's got pedals because you know it's legal. Law sucks, but whatever. So I got it from Powerline e-bikes, best company to buy it from because they were treating me so well. They gave me $100 off, which is really nice. So I bought the bike right off the floor for $3,700. So yeah, that was nice. And now the landscapers are starting, and now I'm getting aggravated. Triggered. So yeah, this is the runaround of the bike. It's got two motorcycle mirrors built in. As you can see, if I look into them, there is a reflection. So I think that's really cool. I might have to look into why that happens, but I think they're good though. It's got liquid cooling braking, which is really nice. It's got two. I'm not positive on filling them, but I'm probably not gonna fill them. I don't know. I gotta look into it. So I just gotta warn you guys. I'm pretty new to the bike as well. So I'm still learning a few things. So if I seem stupid about this video, then I'm sorry. That's my helmet, by the way. I don't know the name of it, but it's a cool helmet. It matches the bike. That's all I care about. So I'm gonna turn the bike on. It's got a really sick display right here. It's got 00, that's my racing number, until I start going, and then change it rapidly. It's like, no. Alright, so it's saying my lights are on, which they are. So I'm going to show you this. I'm going to show you low beam first. You can barely see them, but they are on. I'll show you a video at night showcasing them. And then you got your high beams, but you can't really tell the difference, but you can kind of see they're on now, so that's really cool. So you got your hazard lights right there, which is a blinker right here. I don't like the noise though, that's annoying. Vice versa, you got the left blinker, which is on the other side. And then you got vice versa, which is on the other side. You just push it in to stop it. Alright, righty, and basically right here, you switch it to this two D's flashing line thing, and you can use this yellow button, and the lights flash. I can't really show you both unless I just reach my arm like this. You can kind of see that maybe. But yeah, this is the bike, and pretty much that's it. The kickstand annoys me because I work in a factory now, and I work like 8-hour shifts, and if I can't come out of that factory only a break, and I'd rather not. So it sketches me when I can't put the bike on two kickstands like the normal e-bikes do. So I'm looking into get a double kickstand. It's got the pedals there. It's got two foot pegs, one for the passenger, one for me. However, I don't recommend a passenger unless you're a really good rider, but it's just gonna wear your batteries out quicker and your charge won't last as long. So it's got the batteries under there. It's really got slip design. I like it so much. But yeah, it's got a front fender, which is really sick. It's got a windshield, which you can upgrade to pretty much darken, which is probably what I'll end up doing down the road. yeah, that's pretty much the bike. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below, and see you guys later.